is my birthday and we're going to Kingpin Crown to celebrate it. I was sick to celebrate my birthday, so I did it a bit late.
The cake is here. The cake is here. The written gifts are here. And it's 10:40. We are supposed to leave by 10:45. So let's go, guys.
Let's go! Sir.
This is what Smarup's wearing. His final outfit. Birthday boy. The birthday boy is taking all the saman. How bad?
He's excited.
Yay! Dada, you're the king! You're the king today. You're the birthday boy.
Pretty sure.
The kingdom. The ruler of the kingdom. We are ready to host the party. Nanu?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to whom?
Me.
Taj, your name, right? Yeah, no.
Hello there.
This is Taj, our party host.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Let the party begin.
That's it.
We are really lucky. And why we are lucky?
We have got no other parties today, so it's just Smarup.
Smarup and his friends.
Yeah, we've got everyone here. Hopefully, yeah. We've got everyone. Yeah. So
Just
we've got-
few couple running late.
That's all good though. So we're gonna go up to laser tag soon, and then we'll go and play arcade, and then we'll go get some prizes. Okay.
Oh, Smarup's best friend is here and he's happy now. Say hi, Adam. Hi.
All right.
Everyone, ready? Woo! The kids have went upstairs to do their laser tag and then their arcade. But before they come here, and the chaos is everywhere. So let me quickly show you what the party room actually looks like. This is where we begin. This is the pool area. This is the bar. This is the lounge, which is pretty decent size. And this is the party table, which the team is organizing. Let's start taking the bowling now. Come on, bats. 1, 2, 3. Hagle. Come on, Soham Kaka. Good. Hagla tu pan haglas. Yeah. Rupesh and Yuri are on fire. Because they... No, white. That's why same energy. These are the scores. Europe is going to be the winner. Next, Yuri, come on. Gaya. Oh, nice. चल मैं तेरे साथ Come on, Europe! Come on, baby! Woo! Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh, just one left. Same like Rupesh. Now the queen of bowling is here.
अरे इसने सेट करके रखा है क्या इसके ऊपर? ऑटोमेटिक आई तो आ गया। और साइड में गए।
Nice.
अरे बाप रे तभी नहीं कर अगर तू ये हाँ
देख तेरे
First time 9 out of 10. We trust you, Smita. Woohoo!
नहीं गया सॉरी तेरे को चांस है 4 ही लगता है वहाँ पे तू उड़ा सकती है चारों 3 ओके देख सीधा डाल अरे गेला फाइनली यू गॉट दैट यू गॉट स्लैश अरे स्क्रीन में स्प्लैश आला बघना ते
Oh! I did it!
पकड़ा था
While we are playing, we are going to treat ourselves with some snacks. And those all are so yummy. Oh my god, one more.
One more. These are vegetarian spring rolls.
Okay, and the rest are non-vegetarian.
So we got crispy fried chicken with sriracha mayonnaise.
Okay.
Teriyaki chicken skewers. Some nice hot chippies. And then you got your veggie spring rolls.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I knew I'd make it eventually. Is that mojito there?
Yes, that's
and
mine.
This is that watermelon bubble.
Wow. Are you going to make the bubble right now?
And hopefully... Oh!
Ooh, that
That's not
broke.
what I wanted. Just stay.
Whoa, that's pretty.
There we are.
Thank you. Happy birthday, Smarup! Smarup is busy in laser tag.
Shoot me. Now shoot each other. Shoot me again. And scream.
Are you guys having a good time? Yeah. Woo, nice. Yes. Yeah, good. Good job. Are you guys having fun? Yeah. Nice. Are you having fun? Yeah. You good? Oh my god, the girls are on the horse. Wow, you guys are having fun? Hello! Go! Oh my god. Yay! Soup. Go grab that. I just went to check on the kids. I went to check on the kids and they're going crazy. They're not even looking at me. They're like, hey! And then they're continuing playing. They're going crazy. They're having the best time ever. Which game to play? So there is this birthday card and each friend of his needs to write a cute message. That's so nice. Did you guys had fun? Yes? Who won? Who got the prizes? Oh, almost everyone got the prizes. That's so cool. Good job, guys.
Are we ready to sing? So when I light it, then we'll go sing, okay? I'll start it off. Alright. Just gonna move that one out of the way, okay, honey? Alright.
Okay, guys, we have to sing it again, okay?
Ready? Happy birthday to you.
करायचं बाळा? थांब.
आता तू मम्माला दे, डॅडीला दे खायला. हे काय
हा,
पद्धत
पहिले
आहे?
त्याला दे आपण खायला.
Congratulations!
हे घे, हे घे, हे घे.
Smarup ever do that?
हे घे, हे घे.
Yo, I can have a VIP class.
मम्मीला बरं
बरोबर.
दोघांनीच पकडलं बरं तोंडाला
Shooting चांगला.
अरे half to her also now. Go get that chip. Look, this urine fan. Baap re, see urine fan. Happy birthday.
हॅलो स्मरूप 10 वर्षांच्या वाढदिवसानिमित्त तुला हार्दिक हार्दिक आशीर्वाद आणि खूप सारे शुभेच्छा. तुला येणारा काळ तुझं भरभराटीचं आरोग्य संपन्न आणि मम्मी पप्पाच्या सानिध्यामध्ये खूप आनंदाचे जावं ही सदिच्छा आमच्या तिघे कुटुंबियांकडून. हॅपी बर्थडे, हॅपी बर्थडे, सक्सेसफुल 10 year. हॅपी बर्थडे, हॅपी बर्थडे.
Happy birthday, Nanu. Keep progressing, keep growing, and try to learn new skills.
We love you, Nanu. Stay strong and healthy.
And God bless you.
Hi Smarup, happy 10th birthday. I wish I was there. Missing you. I'll come see you in Melbourne very soon, but lots of love and have a lot of fun. Bye.
Happy birthday, Nanu! Well, our Nanu is not Nanu anymore. He's become 10 now. Big number, double digits. Congratulations! I'm very, very proud of the amazing, loving, and caring human being you are becoming. And loads of only love from Dolly Mom. Love you!
नमस्कार. आम्ही आलो आहे आज क्राऊनमध्ये बर्थडेला स्मरूपच्या. हॅपी 10th बर्थडे स्मरूप. कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स ऑन कम्प्लिटिंग अ डेकेड इन दिस वर्ल्ड अँड होपफुली you have more success in the future decades. Once again,
We always love you, Smarup. Happy
birthday.
Hi Smarup, happy birthday and may God give you all the happiness that you deserve and get a good health and a successful career. You are an extremely nice and disciplined boy.
Happy birthday, Smarup. You've been a very good friend for a long time. Happy birthday, Smarup, and I hope that your birthday is a blast.
Happy birthday to Smarup, and he had a very good birthday party and let us play laser tag and 1 hour of arcade.
I wish Smarup a really happy birthday and have all the best wishes for him. Happy birthday, Smarup. I like the way how you treat us.
Happy birthday, Smarup. I wish you all the best wishes for this very great day for us.
Happy birthday, Smarup, and I wish you a happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Smarup.
Wish you good luck.
Happy birthday, Smarup. I really hope you have a good day. I really like that you're a good friend and you always help others. Happy birthday, Smarup. Have a nice day. Happy birthday, Smarup. I wish you a great day. And in this party, you're always kind to others. And thank you for inviting me. Happy birthday, Smarup. I think you're the kindest boy in the whole boys group. And you're so kind and lovely to everyone. Happy birthday, Smarup. I hope you have a great day. Many good days and dreams. Happy birthday, Smarup. I hope you have the best day of your life.
Happy birthday, Smarup. I hope you have a good day.
Happy birthday, Smarup. Hope you have a great day. Happy birthday, Smarup. I hope you have a good day.
Happy birthday, Smarup. And it's good when you have a sense of humor, and when we play Roblox together, it's really fun.
Hello, Nanu. You have already entered your double digit 10.
Every day you make us proud with your kindness and courage. You are growing wiser and stronger in every way.
Yeah, I think you can achieve everything you want in this life, but with too much of hard work. You have to put lots of hard work to achieve everything you want in this life. So keep shining, my little angel. We really love you infinitely, endlessly. So yeah, happy birthday again. Mom, Dad are your biggest supporters in life. Okay, everyone. Oh my God. Okay, guys, say cheese.
Thanks for coming.
Who opened it? Me, I opened it. Thank you. What did you get? I'll hold it. I enjoyed the party very much.
Thank you for coming, beta. Thank you. Finally, we are done.
Yeah.
How was your birthday?
It was amazing.
Did you like it?
Very much.
You want to say thank you to me and daddy?
Thank you.
Daddy, come now.
Mama.
And daddy.
And thank you. Daddy.
Happy birthday, Baya.
Happy
You're
birthday.
welcome.
Love you.
Yeah, thanks.
सागव नाही वागायचं, चांगलं वागायचं.
आणि आतापासून
Okay.
तुला फटके चालू होणार आहेत कारण
कारण की
की
तू 10
तू 10 वर्षाचा झालेला आहे. ॲज पर द रूल डबल डिजिट खा फटके.
No, we won't.
Thank you all whoever came to my birthday and gave me those all magnificent gifts. And thank you Mama and Dada for making this Kingpin party really amazing and special.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, see y'all in the next vlog. Like, subscribe.